Hello there. Let's go in that corner. Bonjour, welcome, hello. I don't like to be just like in the starting soon scenes. I don't know how others are doing. I guess they just start and then they go away. Well, welcome behind my cloud. I'm Frank Boucher, and for the next 2 hours, I think I have time for today for a 2 hour stream. We'll have some fun. I used to do AI on Wednesday, and I want to get back to this. I think today it won't be a project that I use AI, but we'll definitely use AI to build that project. Today I want to work on 2D6 Dungeon App. 2D6 Dungeon App, it's an open source project. It's a dungeon crawler, kind of like a dice and paper, so it comes from those books here. I made a companion app. You still need the books to understand all the rules and stuff like that, but you should be able, at least right now, the goal is you should be able to play the level 1 of the game. It's a solo game that you play by yourself. And yeah, so last stream we worked on a few things. We were working on, what was it? The character sheet, adventure sheet, to use the good words. Adventure sheets, and had a potion, remove a potion, so I could show you that. And today the goal was to remove, so when we compile, there's tons of errors. It doesn't make it's still playable, but I would like to clean it. There's 23, so I think while it's manageable, we'll see. Like, I didn't go into the details. Maybe it's already out of control, but I want to start working and having like none of that. And maybe we can try to see quickly if there's something missing. So on the next stream, we could continue to work on some pieces. So like, I'm curious like how close we are from a playable demo. I think we're pretty close. But yeah, so today, this maybe cut coverage. I feel like today it will be we could use AI to, remove the error, add code coverage, smart tests and stuff like that to make sure when we move on and when we refact, we don't lose any functionality. So let's just, so yeah, that's what I was looking at earlier today. So if we look quickly, there's 23 warnings. Well, definitely, but there's some that are just like the package is outdated. So I guess we could just like update those and it will solve a lot, but we'll see how it goes. So let's run it. F5 should work perfectly. So it's using .NET. Let's go in the corner. It's using .NET 10. The solution is running in different container. We have a MySQL database, so it is compatible with NSSQL. What else? We use Blazor Fluent UI as the components of our UI. On the dev side, we are using Aspire. So it kind of like manage all the different containers, create the connection string, give us a nice dashboard. That's now what's loading, and it does that from time to time. Let's go with this URL because you have authentication kind of thing. And this dashboard, if you're unfamiliar with Aspire, it gives us all the components, so it loads, make sure like the state is okay, it will create a connection. If for example the database, I had a connection string, so we'll create it, pass it to the others, I could see it, we'll centralize all the logs. Oh yeah, there's the one feature we could try to add also that could be interesting. We have Copilot. We don't have Copilot? I thought I did it. Maybe it was on a different computer. Maybe it was on a different computer. I thought I had Copilot. So you could add Copilot, and then with the browser log, so you have the full kind of like end-to-end client and server in the same AI can help you understand what's happening. So here, if I go to the app, this is the app. We have some themes going on. So right now I'm in dark, I can go light, I can go dungeon themes, so kind of 2 shades of brown. Could go many different ways. So now if I go create an adventure, first I need to create an adventurer. So let's go here, I can create my user, so Tad Beaumont. And now we have the option of 3 weapons. So let's go for the Great Axe. So with that, I need to select 2 maneuver. Leveling up in the game, you'll be able to level up have more maneuver based on your level, or like even like have 3 selected when you have like a certain rank. But right now, let's go for this one and this one, and armor pieces. So let's go for the pad tunique, and the magic scroll, let's go mental whip. So that's the setting of my adventurer. So now I can save it. We can notice that it was automatically selected here. So now I need to roll 2d6 to determine the entrance of the dungeon. So I could click on that button, and I have a 2x4. There's always 3 doors to the dungeon lobby. So here it is. So I have that. Great. So now I can start. So right away, I'm here, the dungeon is here, so now I could just like, usually will be pick a door because the lobby is empty, but I want to show you what we worked on. So if we go into the adventurer tab, this is a lot of information, but here it is. So now we have different armor pieces. So in the future, if we found treasure, we loot some chests or whatever, and we found, I don't know, some other piece, we could extend this. It's okay, cool, let's go, and maybe we found leather bracers. I could just like add it like this, and I can only have 3 pieces of equipment. So now I have this, I have the dice set showing up here, I have the magic potions, so I can drink that one. That's a magic scroll, yeah, magic scroll, sorry. Magic scrolls, I could use it. And then I could go, oh, that's, it wasn't like that before. Interesting. So I could add it back. Mental whip. And the reason why I have more here is when you start, you have a subset. So you have like for the potion and the magic scroll, when you start, you have like a subset. That's a good word, right? You're limited on the option you can take. Healing potion, we have that. So now we have all the other sensor we could use, treasure node, like all the things. Additional nodes, we can carry 10s up to 10 items. We worked on that too. So let's say I want to say, hey, like, I don't know, a big statue, I can save it, so now it's there, so I only have 9 items, and if I select this one, I can delete it. So we have that, it's done. Ration, I have 3 ration give you, I forgot how many, HP back. So that's the thing, right? That's what I'm saying, like, that's why it's not like a digital version of the game. I still want that vibe of like, oh yeah, okay, here like I'm heating a ration, so now like it's going back here, and you could totally say, hey, yeah, I have 1,000 points of HP. Yeah, like, you know, it's a solo game. You play by yourself. I'm just trying to make it easier to track some stuff and things like that, so you could play on the couch or in the car or you know, a little bit more quietly than rolling dice and like flipping books and stuff, but at some point you still need to have like a good idea of what you're doing. Right. And is it that one? I don't know why today I have issue with my my light. I'm not sure why. Oh, that's worse. That's better. Put it that way. I don't know why it's doing that. No, I don't understand what is happening. Yeah, it's here. Why? It's weird. Nothing moved, and it comes and go. Is it because of this instead of a? I don't have any shadows here. I don't understand what it is. Is it this? No. What is it? Now it's doing it here too. Damn it! It's everywhere. If I do this is super bright. Okay, so I feel like it's too bright. Oh, maybe took some sun yesterday. Went outside. See? Weird. Oh, and my mic is far away. Oh. Why? No, that should be there. I don't know. What did I do? What did I do? Oh, is it missing some? Man. Why? Okay. We're back now. Yay. Feel unstable. Okay, so yeah, so that's the game. So we have a combat scene also when we fight. But I think we start trying to fix the issues, and after that, kind of taking a pause, we'll try to play the game, and after that we'll continue. So yeah, let's do that. So come here and we'll pause. So yeah, so in fact, if I come here, say Copilot, YOLO, and supposed to be dash dash. Okay, cool. So now we have our copilot, and we could say, forgot I created an item earlier. So what's the issue number? It's the issue 189. Okay. Let's try that. I should have asked for it to do like a report or something after when it's done. Hopefully it will do it. We'll see. I mean, I could have done also the .NET outdated. Did we install that on that machine? I'm not sure. Give me 2 seconds. I'll just remove this. Okay, I'm sure I'll get back to chilling later, but let's try. Okay, so any the other thing I thought we could be working on today was I want to get back at building some kind of tool for like in the terminal or maybe even the chat. Often I want to translate something from French to English or English to French, and I thought it could be cool to just have hey, hello, tête d'ampoule, comment ça va? On est juste nous deux, donc on peut parler français. Yeah, so I thought it could be cool to work also on a tool that I start working on that a little while ago, but I kind of like twisted. I was just getting started at Reka back then, and I kind of focus on a Reka terminal tool and even move it to the like Reka AI. And I think it was interesting to have like, you know, just like question mark, and then you can ask a question to like a prompt, and I think and then like double interrogation point was to search online kind of thing. I think what we could do is integration point F would translate the word in French, or the other way. Hey GT, how are you? And so it begins. Yeah, I thought we could also kind of like do that, add some translation. We don't need AI for the translation part. I think we could just like go with the Google API, Google Translate. You know, using the, if I put like patate, so the URL is like, okay, translate from French to English. The text is patate. So I could pass this, get the response. So we could use it as an API. So we could have that in our terminal. And I think also that could be nice to have even in the chat as a command. I think could be cool. Watching Clarkio last Friday made me think about that, because he had like word definition and was like, I think that I would love to have, sometime I'm struggling with a word, or like I know how to say it in French, but I'm not sure what it is in English or something like that. And I know many of us speak different languages, so having something to translate to English could be interesting. So it could be good to have it in the chat. But it could, oh yeah, there's one thing I forgot to do. It's true. Today I have the map. What is it called again? Streamer map, I think. C# Fritz added me on his map. I forgot. Let me quickly. So we have a map now. Streamermap.live. What's happening? Tête d'ampoule did what? So many things. Tête d'ampoule, subscribe. Oh, you're the best, Tête d'ampoule. Thank you. That's very appreciated. Thank you, thank you. 11 months, man. That's amazing. Thank you, very, very appreciated. Okay, so let me come here. Okay, I think I'm live. Where do I see my map? Okay. I'll open your map. So I have that. Yeah, cool. Nice. So now in the chat, I think if you type !map and then the city, comma, your country. So let's go. For me, I will do Montreal/Canada. Whoop. Yeah, it works. Awesome. But why it's not the theme I specify? The theme. If I come here. I specified this. New viewer, unit saying Spencer. What that? Oh, save configuration. Okay, now it's saved. So if I refresh it, cool. Now I have like the Massachusetts, Spencer. I've been to Massachusetts because I've been to, but it was more on this around here, I think. Forgot where I was exactly. Kind of missed a few months. I would have been 77 months if I subscribed since I know you. Oh man. Ignite the tour in 2000. Oh wow. Let me bring back my chat on my second screen because now I brought. Okay, cool. Cool. Yeah, that's cool. I love it. Okay, so let's bring this down below. Come on. I want to bring you. Come on. I want to bring you up here. Voila. Not up here, in fact, down there. Cool. Okay, so now we have the map. I'll put the map here. So yeah, so the plan of today is oh cool, we have a new one. Should put like a tour. That's cool. GT Sum, and now we should go in France. Maybe we need to slow it down, the tour. Okay, there's a setting for that, I think. Let me try to slow it down. Oh, I don't have a way to slow it down. Okay, fire refresh. Okay, so that's the oh, that's cool. That's a weird map, man. I'm just trying different team. Oh, there's achievements. Achievements. That's cool. It's a very weird map though, but it's fine. Well, not the map is okay. It's just the color is. So should we switch team? Let's try. So that was Transit Dark. We could go Spinal Map. What's Spinal Map? Ooh, that's nope. Feels bloody. Nightlight. Oh yeah, Nightlight. I think that's what Jeff used. I think it will look good. Yeah, I think that's good. Could zoom a little bit. That's nice. Okay, so yeah, so the plan of today is we start by letting Copilot working on the 23 warnings I have when we compile the game 2D6 Dungeon app. And after that, well, I think we're pretty close to have a playable demo, so we could start working on that. I think there was the unit test also when I was looking at the action, but I'm not sure if it was this project. Maybe we need also to remove that squad heartbeat because it's annoying. But the unit tests, I'm not sure we have a lot of unit tests, so we need to check that too and test it. And while Copilot work on something, we could try to open another AI session or something like that. We start working on some terminal tool. A little while back, I start working on a project and then I kind of like flipped it and make it so it was Rekka centric. But I think I want to I will give them that version, but I will restart a new version of it, and this one will include translation and stuff like that. So you know we have like a few things, and I think it will be a good practice. So then maybe we can even add that to the chatbot, like our chat. So if we want to translate words and stuff like that. But if I'm not mistaken, it was ready for us. So branch issue 108 created work was done. What I change? Upgrade the directory package prop temporary and no warning. I don't like that. Fix the code warning, added default case, item switch, away previously fire forget call, blah blah blah. Fix the possible null reference for adventurer create, okay. And replace obsolete parameter resource value. Rand.net zero warning, zero, not zero, but zero. That's cool. Commit push. I mean, yeah. And we can test it. And I think we'll do a Aspire update. And maybe we can try to do like a .NET outdated to update every packages. Yes. How's your week so far, Tête d'Ampoule and TBD? And GT? Not TBD, but GT. Well, maybe TBD is lurking. We never know. Oh yeah, of course, like the target is here and look where like I'm dropping. Useless. What action will what? Asking user which action would you like me to take on PR? What? Yay! That's a good score.
Yay!
Oh, that looks promising, GT. Should I move away? Look at that. Just pushing tight d'ampoule to the side. Awesome. Yay! Oh, I couldn't go in the middle. That way I'm not on the target. Okay, so cool. So we have a description. So let's have a look by ourselves. You know, never trust AI. Should I say that? Will I get in trouble? Not bad. Not too shabby. Like would say Mr. Clarkio. I knew it was a glitch in the matrix. Now I'm cold now. Okay. Effectivement, nothing. Do we do not .net outdated? No, huh? Is it like that? No, it's outdated, not updated. Outdated. No, I forgot. Could not execute because the specific command or file not found. Okay, so it's like that. No. Yeah, but I know it. Like, yeah. I thought I installed it. Okay, we can do a Spire update. It's possible that on this, because I did reinstall and reinstall, so maybe it's not there. Cool. And also, I know on Omarchi, sometimes the paths are not exactly the same. Let's give it a try. Okay. So it wasn't installed. I didn't reinstall it since we did our things. So I won't drop, and I want something funny. A score of 7. Okay, cool. So Fluent UI, we should, but I'm a bit worried. $700. That's better than me. You both landed. I didn't today. The toolkit is upgrading. So I think we're doing it. I think we're doing it. So was it /u to update? I think that's how it works, right? That's exactly what I thought. You know, like worst case, we roll back or we ask AI to fix it. Well, like honestly, if you stay up to date, you know, like it's been a while. But most of the time, like it's like all, let's say, OpenTelemetry update some stuff and they're pushing a new version and it just kind of like. So usually it goes very well. Sometime with the Fluent component, they changed, like we had breaking changes at some point. Aspire, we had breaking changes at some point, but they were very early stage. I know I saw, though I didn't dig into the details, but I'm not sure which version it is. So I'm not sure if it was 14 or if it's the next release coming up. But for the Fluent UI, there's something, a big version coming up. I think it was Vincent I saw on LinkedIn was a lot of cool feature were coming up. So we'll see. Yeah, it's definitely getting chilly. I had a hoodie. I feel I will be more comfortable in my hoodie, but it's green. Though, I feel like it's the same green as that as a Kith, so maybe I will be okay. I think I will put my hoodie back. Okay, so cool. Look like it's working. So let's try to recompile everything. Let's do a .NET. Is it clear or clean? I'm never sure. For some reason. Okay. And now let's do a .NET build. And while it's doing that, I will put my green hoodie, see if I break my my green screen, or if I'm okay. Is it bad? It's not too bad. It's okay, feel big though. It's not that big. Perfect. See, GT? No issue in our all the greatest and latest. It's all kind of like the come on, land here. Looks good. And I don't think we have unit tests in this project, right? I think it's my I've been working offline a lot on the Node bookmark. Just because I like streaming with this computer. But this computer isn't great with the, oops, let's do this. Isn't great with the emulator. Tête d'ampoule, come on, 91. And I'm still far away. So maybe we can, should we code like the terminal tools, or I feel like it's boring. I feel it's just me who like that. Or should we start playing the game to test if we have issues? Looks pretty good to me. And we have the tooltip. I have the table here. In the combat screen, when you search for a monster, you could type, say, what? Oh yeah, it's GU. Guardian. Damage. Okay, so let's do the PR. And so we can go back to, yeah, let's push our code. And after that, I say, we try it. We try to see if it works. Because I don't think, yeah, should I create like a vote? It's only 2 of you. So what do you vote? Should we work on the tool? I feel it will be very boring. It's just like a bunch of calls in the terminal and a bash. I feel like playing the game and just like see if it's bug and how we can tweak it to make it bigger will be more interesting. You agree with me? Give me some thumbs up. So we'll commit that. Come on. Okay, cool. And push. So now we should have, if I come here, I was just thinking, oh, there's a game? What's the game? Map game. Furthest from the streamer. What? Tête d'ampoule is at 5 kilometers? Why are you at 5 kilometers? You're not at 5 kilometers. Why it says that? Doesn't make sense. And GT is 300. Oh, thousands. It's not because it's big gay-gaying. It's because it's a K. Continental bingo. Okay. I thought that was confusing. I would have preferred having 5,900. I was passing some interviews recently. Hey, oh no, okay, because I need to on Zoom. And one of the company, they are very present in Paris. So like, oh, that could be cool if I need to go back in France. No, it's just like it was 5,000s, but like the K. As because for me it's in the like just for you, right? It's in the top right corner, and I have a lot of flares from my light. I have a light to remove the shadow of that pretty face here, and it just give a lot of flare. I should put some kind of like paper or something on the side just to kind of like block that, but I keep forgetting about it. Okay, so let's come here. I should stop saying that. Okay, so cool, we have that. So now we have this, the PR is done. I should have waited. If you lend means I will lend too. Or maybe I will. Ah, so close. Oh, I didn't check this. Suppress known NuGet advisory warning until package can be upgraded safely. Oh. No. No. I mean, I don't think I want that. How many? Let's remove that. How many do we have if we remove this? I mean, if it's just one or two, I prefer having one or two errors. Or, you know what, I will check, and then I will have a talk with the Copilot. Almost. Yeah, it was close, right? So there is no errors. See? So, oh, maybe it's because I need to do a clean. Let's do a clean and then let's rebuild it. Maybe because just I updated the version, so the .NET outdated did the job. Yeah, so nah. Manage partial version, true, yeah. That was very bad English. Oh my god. I couldn't even understand what I'm saying. Sometimes it's really, yeah, sometimes I'm really bad, guys. Okay, is it silencer? Silencer? The suppressor? Package upgraded. I need to land. But yeah. Maybe I should do longer stream to have chance to land. My god, this is bad. Damn it. Can you do worse? I don't think so.
I think maybe if you like ran in the corner, maybe you, yeah, I think you cannot do better than that. Like, but the target could have been a little bit more on the left, so that could be a, oh, that could be cool. If we had a way to have like minus 200, you know, you still have like some kind of a score. Oh yeah, that could be cool. So when we target the biggest loser, it could be the sum of all your miss. So instead of being just like a pro rata, a ratio between your drop and the time you land, it could have been how far you go, how far you landed. Oh yeah, that could have been, that could be cool. Okay, so we pushed that. So now if we go back here, we should see our updates. There's conflict. Yeah, no kidding, there's conflict. And yeah, remove the suppressor, it's here. So let's remove the conflict. So the issue, that's what we want. Whoa, 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 what? What's our, into main? No. I hate when it does that. Like, anyone knows why by default it's always trying to, like, we created the, oh, maybe it didn't. Oh yeah. It should have created the issue from VNex. I didn't specify it. Hey, Mr. Fritz, how are you? Look at that, we have a new visitor. I have feedback for you, sir.
Bonjour. Hi.
Bonjour, hi, bonjour. Fragbird is here. Mr. Fragbird with his famous app. So, it's very tiny little feedback. Because I know you're probably used to miles, right? Because you're an American. Hey, Fragbird, first time direct land, that's awesome. Yay! Yay! It's great! Okay, so, yeah, so little things. For me, if I zoom, here, I totally read 5.9 kilometers. You know, I thought the UI was how do you say that? Big, you know, kilometer. I thought I think in my opinion, I think it will be better having the number like 5,900 something. But it's cool. So now continental America is like ported d'ampoule alone. Was the UI buggy? Not much. I don't think so. Like, it's a little bit slow. So when I did the tour, I had the feeling that, I don't know, now it's better. Earlier, I had the feeling it was going too fast, so like the refresh couldn't follow, but maybe because I was zoomed further. So if I zoom, maybe? Oh no, now it's good. Oh, no, it's good. It follows now. So did you change something? Or maybe it was the first time it tile, is it what you say? It's kind of a lazy load for the tiling? Yeah, so the first time I ran it, had the feeling I couldn't see the map and we were already moving out. But now it's good. Oh, it's slow. The different team, you mean? I can try other teams. I was copying yours because I thought it looks good on your stream. Let's go let's go light. Because, you know, why not? It's clear though. White is always very clear. And will help my tan. New record, 4 viewers. Yeah, I feel it's much faster, you're right. So okay, let's go. Zoom, zoom, zoom. It's so far. I'm here. There was a job opportunity and it was here and it was like, I'm not sure if I want to go there. Going by a train and subway will take me 2 hours. And I was like, nah, I'm not sure. It's like taking my card and I getting everybody who want to get in Montreal and out of Montreal because Montreal is an island. And like doing the tour, will take me forever. And I'm like, I'm not sure. Maybe if you pay more. Okay, let's try the tour with this. Oh yeah, you're right. Wow. So it doesn't even have any tilings. Oh yeah, okay, there's a little bit of tilings. So how come? Well, like, how come it's so different? BMO. There's another place. I was talking to them this morning, and like it's a consulting company, and they have a bunch of banks client. So we'll see how it goes, but yeah. Yeah, it's very, very different, the feel when you do the tour. Can we have... It's a lot of blue, but we have our 4 viewers. I saw you were back on the Strava, back on the Smart Trainer, Fragbird. I thought you were out. You are out for the summer. How come you're back on the trainer? There's something different in the set of caching. Okay. No, but anyway, it's super cool, easy to set up and things. Yeah, maybe there's feature I didn't see. You wanna make me try some feature? Is there anything you want me to try? What's idle int? Well, that's cool. Oh, okay. No, I think it's super cool, and like the kind of like achievement stuff like that. In my head, it totally make the achievement unlock because I'm reading Dungeon Calls. Book 8, the book number 8 came out last week, and I bought it because I just finished my book the day before, so I'm back into that crazy world, and yeah. Cool. Okay, so let's check our PR, and after that, I think, where is my PR? It's here. Still on book 2. Yeah, well, in fact, yesterday, yesterday I read a lot, I think, because waited for the train, rated in the train to go to Montreal. I had a meetup yesterday 20%. I had a meetup yesterday about Azure Container Apps. That was pretty cool. And it was someone from McGill University who was presenting how they used container apps, and it was kind of like sharing his stuff about it. And I was like, oh, cool. And there were some people in the group in the room. They saw when I talked about Aspire, and the guy is leading a team, so he didn't know about Aspire, and now like the entire company is going Aspire because of my talk. And I was like, great, so now you're on like in good shape. You learn Azure Container Apps, you have Aspire, and now I can talk if you want about the Azure Developer CLI to help you. But then like if you already, we talked already about Bicep and stuff, so you have all the pieces you need to like rock it. Yeah, we still have one talk to do at that meetup, and I think we'll do it in English. Most of the talk we do are in French. Not most, I think all of them were in French, but we want to see if we are doing it in English, if we could bring more people. And it's a English, it's an Anglais university, it's an English university, so I think it could help too. But like I know many people speak French, but yeah. Okay, so I think we have everything we want, so we can merge. Oh, did I change the branch? Yeah, I brought it to Phoenix. Cool. Why there's so much stuff? They shouldn't have all that. Like this is, I don't get it. Where all that stuff is coming from. Like it was 2 files. It's like why is it's like that? Did it change so many files to avoid all the maybe. Okay, so it did a lot of work, not just adding the suppressor, whatever. Okay, well, no, not the review. Come on. Okay, let's squash and merge. Confirm the merge, and after that, I think we try to see if there's any bug left. I'm gonna delete that branch. I didn't land, huh? I still need to find my way. Cool, so I think we can go back to VNX, pull the last version of VNX. Come on. Why it's so slow? This computer was cheap, but yeah. How did you say that? You have for what you pay. You pay for what you have. You pay for what you have, right? Sounds better. Feel like I'm saying it the other way around, but if it sounds better. Okay, so let's F5 that, and I think we try to play a game. See, need to go. Hey, see you next time. Ted Napoul, it was a pleasure, and thank you again for the follow. Very appreciated. Thanks, buddy. So let's give it a try. See if it works. If we found some missing stuff, or if the demo is playable. I landed again super far. I can go in my corner. We still have like an hour. We can do tons of stuff. Come on. What are you working on? Oh, there it is. Cool. Cool. So let's load our game. Excellent. So we are at the beginning entrance. There's nothing. So let's pick a door. Let's go north. Roll the dice. So now we found a corridor. Okay. Roll the one dice to see how many exits. 3. So it's one more door. At least it's not the dead end. So that's great. And now, so yeah, corridor, they don't have definition. So we just do done and auto-magically. That's one of my favorite words. It plays itself, but we can pin it because we don't have to do anything. So great. So now we could move back and decide to go east, or west. But let's continue to go north. So pick a door, we'll go north. And notice how like it knows that there's only 2 doors. So we could go north. Roll the dice. Double. Double mean we re-roll. So it will be a huge room. So what? Oh, here. Roll 2d6 to determine the dimension of the roll. I'm pretty sure if we hit a double, we need to re-roll. Maybe we found a bug. Oh, you know what? Like I want you to be able to follow. So let's go. Let's go here. Let's open the PDF. And let's make that thing bigger. How do I do that again? Like that. And I want to see one page, not dual, one page. So I didn't need to have to be that wide. No, this, but more like that. Okay, cool. And we can move it maybe. Oh no, here it's good. So I don't have, or even here. So I really don't have the flare. So I think at the end there's that thing. Could we rotate? So we can rotate. So now it'll be interesting to have it bigger. Not this way, that way. Cool. Okay. So see when we start the so that's start the turn. Roll the 6 to one dice primary. So if the area is greater than 12, yes, divide. No. Wait a second. Okay, start the dungeon. No. Okay, so yeah, no. So roll the so double roll. Yes. We're both 6. Yeah. Draw the room. Ah, okay.
Bonjour. Hi.
Hello, Surly Dev is here. Hello, hello, hello.
How are you today?
You're late. Don't worry. There's no late.
Oh, hi.
Hey, McNutt is here too. Hello, hello. Hola. No, that's Spanish. Is it? I always mix those two. No sound. Oh no. So I was right. So when we have a double, let's zoom. So when we roll, if we have a double, then we draw. But if there's a double, we re-roll. But if it's a double 6, we draw the room. Okay, so there's no bug. Let's unzoom. And today I didn't land, by the way, yet, so far. Well, I land multiple times, but not on the target, that's what I mean. Let's go with, I have any animated? So I look like I'm excited to, and nope. This Freda is carrying me down. Grovosaurus. Okay, so now we had our dimension, so it will be a 6x6. That's great. So we roll the number of room. It will be 2 doors because it's 5, and then we roll for the definition. So it's 64. So now if we go, we have all our information and go here. So that's a 6x6 room. Our doors were placed randomly. We could change that if for some reason we were in a weird situation. We could change those location. We could edit the room and change the door. Maybe like there's an overlap with the previous room or something like that. But you know, right now it feels like okay. So we could just pin it. So now we are in that specific room. So here the description has changed. So, and it's saved, the game is saved. Every time you pin a room, the game save. So you could leave and come back later. So now a large slate monolith stand in the center, hanging from its gold amulet worth 2d6 gold, and has 4 slots. If you have 4 gem, you may roll this, but I don't have. Proceed to encounter, and there's none. So I don't have 4 gems, right? If I didn't have any gems or anything. And now there's like a hanging from, it is a gold amulet. Okay, yeah, no, so there's a large amulet hanging on it. Okay. There's that word this. So I could, and it has 4 slots. Maybe I can take the amulet. I don't know. Well, we'll leave it here. I'm worried that it will be like a Indiana Jones moment where you pick it and like, you know, let's see if we can. I don't understand, like, is it the, and it has 4 slots. So I'm guessing the amulet have 4 slots. I'm not sure what it is here. We'll leave it there. So now a thing here is it could be cool to add some notes or something like that. But every time you will come back to the room, you will still see this. We could take notes here. But in the future, I think it will be cool to have something that we could display here if we want. The thing is, here it's nice, it's big, but for example, here in the lobby that was much smaller, it will be hard to write in it. So I'm not sure how to manage that, like, properly. I know on a paper, you just like do super tiny text, but here I'm not sure. Okay, let's go for... So let's try to go pick a door again, and we'll go, you know what, let's go north again. So double 4, so now, okay, so see, now the rule apply. It's a double, but it's not a double 6, so we re-roll, and the score will be added to this. So now it's 4, 4. So doing so now, it become 4 plus 3 is 7, and 10, so the room will be 7 by 10. Huge room. Hopefully there's plenty of doors. Excellent. And the definition, so 1 and 5. Cool, so we have everything. So we can move it down like this. I feel maybe you could move it by itself. I don't know. I don't want to make too much automation here, I think, but that could be, I don't know. Any thoughts? Should it be automatic? I want to keep the feeling of like a manual, you know, dice and paper. There's one thing we could work on, and is the doors. Right now, all doors are always open and unlock, and they're always the same type. Well, we could work on the door. That's a feature that in code that is part of level 1. But in my head, I was trying to get like a first basic version. That's why I didn't do it yet, but we could do that. Okay, so in this room, the one we're not in right now, let's try to go at least a combat and see if it works. So in the center of these, in the center is an ornament fontaine building, bubbling with clear water. It is dedicated to a god and carved in it. There's carved in their form. Roll the gut 1. You can make an offering of 1 FP. What's FP? Encounter none. Ornate fountain? What? Yeah? It's not a word. That was AI reading the PDF and like populating our SQL. Okay. See, that's why it could be cool to have the terminal tools I was talking about, or the chat tool. I could go, hey, translate this, instead of always opening fontaine ornée. Yeah, it's just like with ornament, right? That's what I understood. So why do you say a bat? No, because if I take a bat, then I will be wet. I'll be soaked, and then I can catch pneumonia. So I don't want to get wet. No. I'm not going in the water. I'm just trying to understand. But I'm not bloody. I'm not nothing. So no, let's save it. But so roll this. Let's see what it is. So we could go in the table. Finally, yes. 48. Oh, the God table. So it's a God table, and it was So FP, I'm not sure what's FP is. I don't have any FP. I don't have anything right now, right? What's FP? I feel like that's probably the typo. The room was 1.5, right? Like even if it was something else, I don't have any. I don't have anything, so I cannot. Okay, well. And there's no encounter again? Like there's never encounter or what? Okay, so let's go to the right. Let's go east. 4x6. It's a dead end. No, there's one exit. And 3, 2. Perfect. So now, some crate and barrels hold a range of broken and busted weapons. Proceed with encounter. Encounter, finally! Finally! Pneumonia? Interesting. It's pneumonia? If you say so. You begin your search to the space. First roll this and then that. Okay, so let's look this one. Table. Let's do this. So interruption. Oh no. So it's 2d6. So 2 and 1. So 2 and 1, that's our line. Something has caught your eyes. A stone basin. There's always basin and fountain and like, is it a message? Am I smelly? What? I succeed installing the game. This game? What game are you talking about, McNet? Is it that game? Now I'm... Yes, this game. Oh, yeah, awesome. Right, like if you clone the repo, you just do aspire run, and it should work. But yeah, cool. You could run it also. Like I created like a Docker Compose file. You could use that if you want. Now I'm working on the chatbot and the BD. The chatbot? Oh, like the chatbot project and the database? Hey, whoa, how are you? I came prepared and I'm wearing my... Well, like, yeah, sometimes it's cool. But see, like yesterday I went outside and I got some color. So, I don't know, white team is good for that. Oh yeah. So the chatbot is yes, it's one of my GitHub project. It's called chatbot, I think. No, cloudbot. Yeah. Let's put it here. See, it's not always light mode. It's just like, you know, the game I feel looks good. Okay, let's try to understand what I was reading. Oh, cool. Oh, is it your pull request there? No, that's just okay. 1 2. So was it? No, 2 1. Something catch your eyes. A stone basin in the corner of the room. It's full of clear water. Above it is a symbol. Roll. I need to put like another roll. There's too many rolls. I will lost track. Roll SST1 if you can place a related item to the symbol. If you can place a related item to the symbol. But no, because I have nothing. In the water, the symbol in the water, it transforms into a LQ random gem. Oh, that would have been nice. Roll on G1, I don't know what it is. 1 to use it. But I don't have any item. But I'm curious to see what's that table, and that table doesn't exist. So there's typos. That's not cool. So yeah, okay, how can and then do the oh, you know, it's pretty basic. Magnet, the chatbot, bunch of like there's bunch of I think it's in public in the index. Like there's all the why this is still there? I think I thought I moved it out anyway. There's all the actions. So if someone say yay or bad or whatever, and just do a bunch of stuff. All the magic was done by InstaFluff and his Confi.js thing. I'm ready. When is the jump? Now. Okay, so let's try to see this. So, and now I'm thinking. How can I improve all the typos done by AI reading the PDF using AI? So metal item table 2. So I roll 1 dice, I have 3, so I have a metal chain. So I could put a metal chain in it. So if now I go here, is it? It's not really a treasure. Let's go a metal chain here. So on the dungeon map, it was saying roll this. And we had 2 and 1, right? Okay, so now we need to roll the SST1. And if we can place something, okay, so let's roll this. We have 6. It's a hammer. Okay. So it doesn't match. Okay. Well, but there's typos, so I'm not sure how to. So it wasn't the what was it? The table again? No, it was this table. And 2-1. Let's check if there's really typos or if it's just me that forgot to bring the table or something like that. So let's copy this text, go on the window 6. I have no idea. Do I have some kind of notepad? Novim. New file. I'm gonna paste that. What's the? Anyone know by heart the? No. Oh man, what it is? Control E. No. Control E. It's not Control E. Escape. I thought it was Control E. Control space. What is it? I hate it. Oh man. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's open a new instance of VS Code.
Bonjour. Hi. How are you today?
DVD. I'm okay today. How are you? Nope. Okay, now I could do this. Great. Okay. So now I need to open. So it's not this one I want. It's this one. And we can make it bigger that way and bigger that way. And we should move it, make it bigger and bigger. Yeah, that start to make sense. And now that was the table. I keep forgetting the name of the table. It was, whoops, it was IUT1. IUT1. IUT1 is page 36. And if you're interested, you can try it because we're trying the C# Fritz map. So you could do exclamation point map with your location. It's like the city, comma, the country if you want. And the pin should appear on the map. So right now we have 4 pins and we could have more pins. So feel free to do it if you want. Who landed? McNett. Awesome. So we're having fun with C# Fritz stream maps, and it's live. So anytime in the chat, you could do !map, the name of your city or a name of a city, doesn't need to be yours, and comma the country. And you should have a pin. Ah, there it is. So you're pretty close to our friend Tête d'Ampoule, who was there, but pretty close. A few hundred kilometers, I guess, but yeah, that's cool. Yeah, awesome. Okay, yeah, so let's go back here and page 36. Page 36. I'll go check where you are in a few seconds, TVD. I know you want me to go and say, come on, Frank, what take you so long? And it was 2-1, so this one. So roll SST1, so that was good. You can place a related item into the symbol of the water for LQ random. So I have no idea what LQ mean. I'm assuming. And here was GMT1. So not this. We could try to yeah, we could fix it. So one thing we could do is, if we look at the code, if I do a search in file for this, it should be there at least twice. I'm not sure why it's only one. At least there only once. So we could just replace it. And it was, look, it's rigged again. Hey, it took me, I don't know how many time to land today, so you need to work for it, man, my friend. No cheating. So it's GMT1. Let's fix it. So G, instead of this here, it's whoop, GMT1. Fixed. Awesome. And now let's go back here because we need to check where is our, oh, there you are. It was already kind of center on you. Ocean something, right? Close to the well-known Lancaster. Cool, so now we could do a tour. C# Fritz is there, Philadelphia, Montreal. I think I only saw Philadelphia like from inside the airport, doing like a connection, sorry. That's cool. Oh no, that was SurdyDev. Oh, that was TBD. TBD is US. What, New Brunswick? Why did I read New Brunswick? That was not New Brunswick. Oh yeah, New Brunswick, interesting. So it's a city? Matching the name of our province? Why not? Why could it be so complicated? Click the pin on the lower corner. What? Or like this. Oh, recent pins. Ocean. Tuki Tuki is now also here. Awesome. Let's have a look. Oh, that's cool. Portugal. I need to visit Portugal. I already need to. And there's good conference also in Portugal. I need to find a reason. How are you, Toki Toki? I like the name. Sorry if I've kind of like focused on your name. I thought the name is cool. Okay, so we did fix that. And so if we look, the good definition was so what's that table then? Did I? Oh no, it was GMT, right? GMT1. Oh yeah, gem table. Okay. So, but I have no clue what the acronym LQ random gem. If I search here LQ, no, there's none. No kidding. Look at that. Ah, TBD, I thought you were lending. But no. No, you didn't. It's so sad. That's witchcraft. 98. It's been a while though, guys, that I'm not lending, that I'm like the biggest loser or like, so I feel like, you know, it's just balance. Look, let me show you something. See here? Let's zoom. That's me, F. Bucheros. How many drops? 13! So, and like tête d'ampoule, 8. And we have the bigger score. So we did try many times. So I won't be the biggest loser, but I did try a lot. I will be probably the super participant today. Because 13 drops in like less than 2 hours, that's a lot. That's a lot of try. So, you know, be patient. I say be patient. It's so rigged. Come on. Oh, that's Chris Beanie. I thought it was Chris for a second. Okay, so in short, we have nothing. Is tête d'ampoule pin close to me? Yeah, it was. Up, right? Come on. He's at this city, Perpignan. Perpignan. So that's kind of close. That's, you know, Perpignan. Digital surly. I'm not a digital friend. Yeah, no. 100 kilometers. So that's that's close. My parents are further than, my daughter is further than 100 kilometers. So that's super close. Yeah. I live here and my daughter live here. And if I go where I could go, like Bing Mac map. Let's search Montreal. Okay, and then I want direction to go to Sherbrooke. So to see my daughter, and in fact, for me it's a bit longer because I don't live in Montreal. I live on Ile Perrot. So here instead, I could change it for Ile Perrot. Can I change it? Can I? Yeah. Yeah, by car. So to see my daughter, it's 200 kilometers. And it happens that, Dad, can you bring me blah, blah, blah? It's okay. And I go, drop her stuff, have a bite or something, and then come back. How to waste a day. But you have a happy daughter and you feel like you're a good dad. Oh, did we add new pins? Copper birds. Oh, now the digital friends are going in. Well, why did you say 100 then? Is it 100 or 200? You're not sure. You're lying, man. You're lying. On top of off. Yeah. No, I'm just messing with you. Hey, Tyndall. Hello. I saw you were streaming earlier, but then I was also streaming. I was about to go stream, and I was like, well, I won't go in a stream for like 30 seconds. What? How will you know if it works? It doesn't give you any warning to compile? Oh, it was a day off. Well, no, we had plenty of warning, but it was we update the package and Copilot did a lot of changes for us, and now we have no more warning. Yeah. Well, it's just because I usually try to have low warning, but I know at some point when I'm on stream, sometimes I let them kind of like be a little bit. But today, because of Monday's Monday stream on .NET Live, we were talking about warnings and stuff like that, and I was like, you know what? Nope. We need to. It's good. Let's remove them. So yeah. None. There's no more in this project. You wouldn't trust it. Well, we even like Copilot had put some specific code like this. You know, like you can suppress like some stuff. And initially, it was like, okay, cool. But then, say, you know what? No, let's have a look how many warning are suppressed because of that. If it's just one, and like, it's specific, I don't know, something is in preview or whatever, then maybe we'll put it back. Or I think maybe I will just say, okay, I'm comfortable having that specific warning. But removing it after we updated all our package, doing like a .NET outdated, it was suppressing nothing, so we removed it. So no more warning. No more warning. But we have typos. It's a thing. I like running threat warning errors. I mean, this project, I learned a lot, and I'm not a game developer, and I was trying to like apply the things of the books and just kind of like wing it. When we'll have, and I think we're pretty close because we've been playing now, and like there was a typo, but that's fine. We can manage that, fix it and stuff. That's okay. That's minimal viable demo. There's little glitch here and there. I mean, but that's pretty cool. So I think on Friday we could try to work on the doors. So one thing I could do is prep the work item, put like kind of like read the doc to make sure I have everything. I think at some point I think I already have like an issue. Yeah, door can be locked. We have that, but there's also and this doing the that's structure. I think I want to wait for that. Oh, remove that's now in VNix. That's done. Question for you, chat. And how do you treat your work item? What is that? Oh, when a work item for this one we merged it, but it's not in main, so it's packaged to be in the next release. Do you close this work item saying like, okay, like it will be in the next release, or do you keep it open? I'm always struggling with that. Like I feel like I should close it, but then does it show visibility on like what's the difference between the VNX and what's not in VNX? I don't know. What do you do in your, or what do you see in different project? When it's merged, should I close it? Like it's merged, it's done. Like we're not working on it anymore. Like it will be in the next release. So I feel we should close it. But then it's not there yet. If you need to do the same thing again, close it. What? If you need to, what? You can search for close tags when you need to. Yeah, and I have the in the project. Oh, I should have opened it in a different tab. I have the project, and the project they will show in VNix. Oh, look like I didn't move them all into done when I did the release. So yeah, so all that, they are all done. Cool. If anything, down housekeeping, like removing warnings, might not even be VNix worth, and just go to done. Yeah, it's just, yeah, that's not a feature. It's for me to remember what, like, you know, what is it? Because then, like, that one had, like, I don't know how many files touch. So and I had pending here because in my other project, like, I decided to have kind of like a nitpick branch. I'm building like a mobile app in .NET MAUI, and I was like, there's a lot of work, and like I'm doing kind of like bit by bit, section by section, like, you know, agile way. So like I'm pushing there, adding more, I can validate, but like, then I was like, oh, I want to fix that thing, but that's on the website, but it's a mono repo, so I have the two projects, so I think I will have to split. But if I split that, it will just go in so many like it will be like 3 repos, and I was like, oh, so I'm keeping it in one repo. So I was like, okay, I need to have like 2 branch, and I was like, how do I do that? Like, I mean, like, so it's clear for other people, not me. It's my project, so I know what I'm doing. So if we go in the other project, Notebook Mart, I'm working to have like an offline version. I'm very excited. Like, not the part that I'm doing now, though. Like, I am excited, but now it's a lot Copilot doing stuff. Well, like, not even Copilot. Yesterday I tried Open Code a lot, and I think Gemini also. Yeah, I started the day with Gemini, then hit some limits, switched to Open Code, continue. So I have an Epic branch. So I have a lot of issues, but they are kind of like all pending Epic. I put can make it bigger. I put this label because they are all waiting. I didn't validate anything yet. I just kind of like working on that thing. It compiles like test pass and stuff. Good enough, just because like I'm building that app, but eventually I need to go and like validate everything. But like I want like a bigger, you know, I don't go, oh yeah, I can log in, great, and then you had like cancel button and like load again. Oh yeah, cool. So I was like, no, let's do a few section, and then I will go in, and then I could, you know, move the thing. But right now I build a. You can cast a spell. What? That was last stream. Cast a spell. Hey, Stony. How are you? It's been a while. I watch. No, I did told you I watch. Not too bad. You know. Got some interviews going and stuff. Yeah. I use AI a lot yesterday doing that. I need to try it though. Okay, so I think what? Oh no, okay. I was just we need to refresh. I was like, there's no PR. I think the typo we fix here. We were in VNext, I think, huh? We can push it straight to VNext. What's happening? You want me to talk in Québécois? Do you have a specific sentence you want me to say in Québécois? Or you just want me to switch in Québécois and like nobody will understand for a few seconds? You need to tell me, man. What do you want? Did you want a specific sentence? A specific answer of a question in Québécois? I'm going to add better redemption soon. And also turn this on. Yeah. Oh, you want me to say that? Nah. We'll give back your points. One day, I'm really bad at working out my stream setups. Huh? I should spend more time. I have points, yeah, no doubt. There's no redemption stuff. Anyway, I'm wrapping up, I think. I think I will push that straight into VNext. No PR, no nothing. It was just like a little typo. Let's push it. Boom. Just 1 second. Oh no, she just informed me she was leaving. It was not an invitation. It was information. Yes. So what I want to do? Before we wrap up, last chance if you want to try to drop on the target for today. We'll look at the map and we'll wrap it up and we can find someone to raid. So if you have any ideas, let me know in the chat. Who should we raid? Yeah, so let's do a little tour. So today we had plenty of people on East Coast, so Montreal, and why it's too tiny. Ted Dampool was there. GT, did you land GT? Yes, you did, right? Stone Eagle, you're willing too. Mechnet and Surly Dev. And we had the visit of Mr. Fritz also. Good score, Stony. Pretty lucky. Toki, it's true. And yeah, Copperbird. It's not the real one. I'm so happy to see it. Great. So let's, oh, you know what? I like that. Let's make it maybe a little bit bigger. I mean, zoomed. And zoom a little bit more. I know I'm skipping one, but like it's a digital friend. Okay, so let's do this way. Now we could have the wrap up. Let's look at the summary of today. I need to flip my camera also so I could, you think I'm looking at the what's rolling. So today's stream 519. Oh my god. Yes, straight into the corner. We work on 2D6 Dungeon app. We fix a lot of warnings, 23 warnings. Pretty cool. I am the biggest winner today. Yeah, Ted Dampool. And after that, we go with Stone Eagle, 65. Fragbird's true. Like, Fragbird was lucky today. 63. GT, 47. Mechnet, 41. Everybody landed. Oh, no, not everybody. So best score today, Frank. Biggest loser was Freda the cat, and I'm happy about it. Luckiest was me. It was not the luckiest, it was the super participant. Yeah. Luckiest, no. But super participant, definitely. Hey, thank you everybody. Thank you, Tête d'Ampoule, for the follow. I very appreciated. Not the follow, but the subscription. That was pretty cool. That's pretty sick for, I forgot how many months. It was 11 months, I think. That was pretty awesome. Yeah, dethrone everybody. But you know, sometimes it could happen. One thing I think it would be cool if we can raid someone today. It would be nice. So who should we raid? Who should we raid? I see with my, oh, there's Fragbird. Should we go all say hello to Fragbird even if it's not coding? That could be interesting. He's on his bike. Should we do that? That could be cool. Otherwise we could go see Hypnotic Games or Boolean. What do you think? I think seeing Fragbird could be fun. I think I vote for Fragbird. Just say hello. So let's go raid. Let's raid her friend here. Cool. So I will see you all on Friday to continue working on 2D6 Dungeon app. I think we'll be working on the doors. So adding more type of doors, and the doors could be locked and all that thing. See you then. Bye.